welcome to George Basics. In this video I want to show you how to buy Chronicle token on Trustwallet. But before we start, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the like button. Now we can begin. First I will tell you that this is not financial advice and I'm not financial advisor. It's just video tutorial how to buy this token. So whether you buy or whether you not, it's up to you guys and you should make this decision. Now we can begin our tutorial. First we should go to CoinMarketCap, click the search bar and type Chronicle. Here is our token. You can see it, you can see the chart, you can see the statistics, and after you see all of the information, then you can make the decision you want to buy or not. So after you make the decision, then close CoinMarketCap and go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free. And after you download, then go through verification. So after you go through verification, then open Trustwallet, and now you need to have Ethereum on your Trustwallet. There's two ways to have Ethereum on your Trustwallet. The first one is to buy Ethereum on Trustwallet. You can go to buy and buy, or there is another method, you can just receive it from any other crypto market. So go to receive, copy this wallet and send Ethereum from any other crypto markets to your Trustwallet's account. So after you will have Ethereum on your Trustwallet, then you can go back to CoinMarketCap, and now you need to copy this contract address which is down below. You should click the copy icon, then go back to Trustwallet and click the apps. Now scroll a little bit down and choose Uniswap exchange. Now you should click select a token, paste the contract address we copied few seconds ago, and then click import. So here is our token, click import. Then you should choose the amount you want to buy and then swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all guys, it's very simple, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.